I found two beginner-friendly apps that anyone can use to start earning today. The first app in our list is Cash Giraffe. If you love playing games, this is the right opportunity for you to make some extra cash. This app pays you for playing games. Just select the game and play, and boom, you make money. You can also make money through completing simple surveys. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, so start making some extra cash today. The next app in our list is Skintiply. This app is available worldwide no matter where you are from. This app provides multiple ways to make money. You can also use its website in your browser. You can make money by watching PTC ads. Just click on the ad, wait for timer to finish, and boom, you make real money. You can also make money by playing games. Select the game you are interested in and play. The more you play the game, the more money you will earn. The payment system of this website is based on coins. You earn coins when you perform a task, and then you can redeem it into cryptocurrencies. The payment is only in crypto. If you are interested in crypto, this is a must-have for you. You can also make money through referrals. Invite your friend and make a decent amount of passive income.